Hello, this is Lipika and today I am going to present on the topic architectural softwares. Today's topic will cover introduction to architecture, need for architectural softwares, about the architectural softwares and the disadvantages of using softwares. Let's begin. Introduction. Architecture is both the process and the product of planning, designing and constructing buildings or other structures. Architectural works in the material form of building are often perceived as cultural symbols and as works of art. Historical civilizations are often identified with their surviving architectural achievements. Why we need architectural softwares? Digital design software is crucial in this modern architectural sector. Clients expect to see more than concept drawings, blueprints, and physical models. They want to see virtual representation that offer more detail. With 3D modeling, we can design interior and populate our buildings. With some, we can adjust lighting effect and account for how external forces will affect the building. Beyond this, design softwares automates common process. This allows us to save time. We can get design to client quicker and enjoy a more efficient workflow. Let's continue with the architectural softwares. Though the list is very long, but we will discuss about some major softwares only. So let's continue. AutoCAD is the first software to be discussed. AutoCAD is a commercially computer-aided design, CAD and drafting software application. Marketed and developed by Autodesk AutoCAD was first released in December 1982. It is available in 14 languages. It is used in the industry by architects, project managers, designers, engineers, city planners, and other professionals. Architects and drafters use AutoCAD to design blueprints for building, bridges, roads, etc. It gives the designer a tool to draw things to scale. Next is ArchiCAD. ArchiCAD is an architectural BIM CAD software for Macintosh and Windows developed by the Hungarian company Graphisoft. ArchiCAD offers computer-aided solution for handling all common aspects of aesthetic and engineering during the whole design process of the build development. It was started in 1982 for Apple Macintosh following its launch in 1987. It is recognized as the first CAD product on personal computer able to create both 2D and 3D geometries. It is used by architects, engineers, graphic designers, city planners, etc. Next is SketchUp. SketchUp is a 3D modeling computer program for a wide range of drawing applications such as architectural, interior design, landscape architecture, civil and mechanical engineering, film and video design, etc. It's web-based application. Free SketchUp free, a freeware version. SketchUp Make is a freeware version of it, and a paid version is the SketchUp Pro. It is owned by Trimble Inc. and developed by Google developers Trimble Inc. in August 2000. Next is V-Ray. V-Ray is also a biased computer-generated imaginary rendering software application developed by Bulgarian Chaos Group. It was established in Sofia in 1997. V-Ray is a commercial plugin for third-party 3D computer graphics software applications like 3D Max, SketchUp, Rhino, etc. It is used for visualization and computer graphics in industries such as media, entertainment, film and video game productions, industrial design, product design and architecture. The company chief architects are Peter Mitov and Volodymyr Koelazov. Next is Rhino 3D. Rhinoceros is typically abbreviated as Rhino or Rhino 3D. It is also a commercial 3D computer graphics and computer-aided design CAD application software developed by Robert McNeil and Associates. It is an American software privately held employee-owned company founded in 1980. Rhinoceros Geometry is based on NURBS mathematical model which focuses on producing mathematical precise representation of curve and free form surfaces in computer graphics. Rhinoceros is developed for the Microsoft Windows operating system and OS. Next is Revit architecture. Autodesk Revit is a building information modeling software for architects, landscape architects, structural engineers, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers, designers, contractors. The original software was developed by Charles River Software, founded in 1997, named as Revit Technology Corporation in 2000 and acquired by Autodesk in 2002. The software allows the user to design a building and structure and its component in 3D, annotate the model with 2D drafting elements, and access building information from the building models database. 3D Max. Autodesk 3ds Max, formerly 3D Studio and 3D Studio Max, is a professional 3D computer graphics program for making 3D animations, models, games, images. It is developed and produced by Autodesk Media and Entertainment in April 1996. It has modeling capability and a flexible plug-in architecture and must be used for the Microsoft Windows platform. It is frequently used by video game developers and many TV commercial studios and architectural visualization studios. It is used to give movie effect and movie pre-visualization. Next is Lumion. Lumion is also a 3D rendering software made specially for architects and designers in 1998 by two Dutch programmers. Lumion conveys the building of our design by unveiling it in its full detail rich context, complete with shadow, lighting, rich and animate courage and all the other benefits of Lumion environment. It can create beautiful renders in less than 15 minutes with no formal training required. Next is Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphic editor developed and published by Adobe Inc. for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. It was originally created in 1988 by Thomas and John Knoll. Photoshop can edit and compress raster image in multiple layers and support mask, alpha composition, and several colors including RGB, CMYK, CIELAB, spot colors, etc. Photoshop uses its own PSD and PSB file format to support these features. Photoshop has limited abilities to edit or render text and vector graphics as well as 3D graphics and videos. Next is InDesign. Adobe InDesign is a desktop publishing typeset software application produced by Adobe System on 31st August 1999. It can be used to create works such as posters, flyers, brochures, magazine, newspaper, presentation, books and ebooks. It can also produce content suitable for tablet devices in conjunction with Adobe Digital Publication Suite. Graphic designers and production artists are the principal users creating and laying out periodical publication posters, rendering architectural models and print media. Next is Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics editor and design program developed and marketed by Adobe Inc. Originally designed for the Apple Macintosh, developed for Adobe Illustrator began in 1985. Along with Creative Cloud, Adobe Illustrator CC was released on March 19, 1987. It is used to create a variety of digital and printed images, including cartoons, charts, diagram, graphs, logos, illustration, and architectural renderings. Next is Maya. Autodesk Maya, commonly shortened to just Maya, is also a 3D computer graphics application that runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Originally developed by Elias System Corporation in February 1998 and currently owned and developed by Autodesk, it is used to create assets for interactive 3D applications, animated films, TV series, architectural renderings, and visual effects. Next is Grasshopper. Grasshopper is a visual programming language and environment that runs within the Rhinoceros 3D CAD application. The program was created by David Rutten and at Robert McNeil H. and Associate in 2007. The program can be created by dragging components into the canvas. The output to these components are then connected to the inputs of subsequent components. Grasshopper is primarily used to build generative algorithms such as for generative art. Grasshopper include parametric modeling for architectural engineering, structural engineering, parametric fabrication, light performance analysis for eco-friendly architecture and building energy consumptions. Next is Dynamo. Dynamo Studio is a visual programming environment that enables designers to explore parametric conceptual design and automate tasks. Dynamo was initially developed under the direction of J. Wright Foster in the late 1950s. It is a visual programming tool that works with Revit. Dynamo extends the power of Revit by providing access to the Revit API application programming interface in a more accessible manner. Rather than typing code with Dynamo, we can create programs by manipulating graphic elements called nodes. It is an approach to programming better suited for visually oriented types like architects, designers, and engineers. Next is Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a CAD tool by industry giant Autodesk, a company that needs no introduction. From the creator of industry standard tools like Autodesk and Inventors comes a new class of modeling softwares aimed at hobbyists, Fusion 360, developed by Luis Cordova in 2013. It is an excellent tool for the precise modeling of 2D and 3D objects, but we can do much more with it, such as animate our designs, render objects, estimate loads, and even prepare model for CNC machining, highly used in architecture, graphic designing, product designing, mechanical engineering, etc. Next is Sedrio. It is a 3D home design software for home builders. It allows us to create conceptual designs in just 2 hours, including 2D and 3D floor plans and interior and exterior realistic 3D renderings. Sedrio was founded in 2005 and was originally dedicated to general 3D guide selling solutions. Next is Allplan. Allplan architecture is the ultimate BIM solution for architects, enabling unlimited creativity combined with efficient project documentations. Project detailed design together with unparalleled drawing quality, it helps us to create comprehensive 3D modeling and attribute tools, professional drawings and visualizations, and precise materials takes off for accurate costing. In 1981, this became Nemestek Programming System GmbH, which the which launched the first version of our CAD solution Allplan on the market 1984. Next is Chef Architect. Chef Architect software is a developer of 3D architectural home design software for builders, interior designs, architects, and DIY home enthusiasts. Chef Architects uses BIM tool to create a 3D model of the structure and automatically generate all of the building system of the home. For the professional architectural and building material, it publishes the Chef Architect product line. Chef Architect software has been reported to be easy to use in comparison to other 3D CAD packages for 3D home design and thus provides a valuable tool in the hands of builders, contractors, and homeowners who have traditionally lacked the skill to run complex CAD softwares. Next is the Vectorworks Architect. The Vectorworks Architect software package is an architectural building information modeling program. It supports the creation and modification of a 2D and 3D files. It is a versatile on-premise application that provides extensive 2D drafting and 3D modeling, BIM and rendering capabilities of our architectural landscape design needs. Developed in 1985, Vectorworks first began under another name, Graphsoft, and was founded by Richard Dale in 1985. Next is MicroStation. It is a CAD software platform for 2 and 3 dimensional design and drafting, developed and sold by Bentley Systems in 1980 and used in the architectural and engineering industries. It generates 2D and 3D vector graphic objects and elements and includes building information modelings. Next comes the BricsCAD. BricsCAD is a software application for CAD developed by Brics NV. The company was founded in 2002 by Eric De Keyser. BricsCAD Classic is used for 2D CAD drafting. BricsCAD Pro is used to contain all the functionalities of BricsCAD Classic plus 3D modeling, 2D and 3D hardware library rendering, material library, mechanical assembly, viewing, and a AutoCAD object ARX. BricsCAD Platinum contains the features and functions of BricsCAD Pro plus 3D constraint creation, surface entity creation, lofting, TIN surfaces, deformable modeling, automatic healing of imported solid geometry, automatic design, intent recognition, and basic assembly creation and editing. BricsCAD BIM that contains all the functionalities of BricsCAD Platinum plus building information modeling. Next is the CATIA. It is also a computer CAD program. Actually, it is a multi-platform software suited for CAD, CAM, and CAE, PLM, and 3D developed by a French company, Dassault Systems, in 1982. It facilitates collaborative engineering through an integrated cloud service and have support to be used across disciplines including surfacing and shape design, electrical, fluid and electronic system design, mechanical engineering, system engineering and architecture. Next is the CorelCAD. CorelCAD delivers affordable visual communication softwares on Windows and Mac OS. We can experience a simplified computer-aided design workflow using professional time-saving 2D and 3D tools. CorelCAD is a CAD solution ideal for technical design works that require detailed elements such as in architecture, product designing, etc. Developed in 1985 by the Corel company. Next is SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a solid modeling CAD and CAE computer program that runs primarily on Microsoft Windows. It was published by Dassault Systems in November 1995. It is used to develop mechatronic systems for beginning to end. At the initial stage, the software is used for planning, visual ideation, modeling, feasibility assessment, prototyping, and project management. It is then used for design and buildings of mechanical, architectural, electrical, and software elements. Next is CADMET. It is a robust and scalable CAD application with a gentle learning curve. It is built with productive and efficiency in mind. CADMET has a gentle learning curve brought about by tools already familiar with CAD users. CADMET was established in 2006 as a startup company in India. Even though the product design and development has started in 2015 itself, the software CAD design and estimation software developed by CADMET Software LPP, a company registered in India. Architecture, engineering, construction professionals rely on this software to create precise 2D and 3D designs. Bluebeam Revu. Bluebeam Inc. is an American software company founded in 2002 and headquartered in Pasadena, California, US, with additional office in Chicago, San Diego, California, and Manchester, New Hampshire. The company specializes in designing tools for creating, editing, marking up, collaborating, and sharing PDF documents. Their main product is Bluebeam Revu, which is a software application that allows users to mark up, take off, organize, collaborate with PDF file like never before. Next is ProjCAD Professional. It is a 2D 3D drawing native CAD for general purpose drafting. The program offers very high compatibility with AutoCAD, yet ProjCAD is way much more than just an alternative to the market leader. It was developed in January 1985 with its headquarters in Switzerland and owned by a private company named ProjSoft. It works with AutoCAD drawing files from AutoCAD 2.5 through AutoCAD 2020 and imports Autodesk Revit and IFC files either in 3D or 2D view. ProjCAD architecture provides us with intelligent and parametric object libraries to design our buildings, exteriors, and interior wall, windows, doors, stairs, balconies, roofs, etc. Next is NanoCAD Plus. NanoCAD Plus is a serious CAD program. It's fast, reliable, and designed for productivity. It runs on our computer, not on the internet, so we are in control of our data. Its compatibility with all major CAD programs using Taiga, the standard for drawing. All tools for drafting and designing are very sharp and easy to use. Mechanical and architectural drawings are very easy to make using NanoCAD. Next is Space Designer 3D. It is an online application which lets the user draw their floor plans in 2D and walk through interior spaces in 3D, create different rooms for the house, add windows, doors, and others. Developed by Asynth, a company founded in 2009, used by architects, interior designers, graphic designers, etc. Next is the Concept Draw Diagram. It is also previously known as Concept Draw Pro. It is a proprietary diagramming software used to create business graphics including diagrams, flowcharts, infographics, data visualization for business process model, data presentation, and project management documentation. It can be used for creating professional and technical diagrams such as UML diagrams, DFD, ERD, computer network topology, engineering schemes, floor plans, and other technical graphic formats. It was developed by C.S. Odessa in 1999, used by architects, planners, interior designers, etc. Next is the Corona Render. Corona Render is the modern high-performance, unbiased photorealistic renderer available for Autodesk 3D Max, Maxon Cinema 4D, and as a standalone application. It was the development of Corona Rendered started back in 2009 as a solo student product of Ondrej Karkil in and Corona has since evolved to full-time commercial product after Ondrej established a company together with former CG artist Edmund Hotov and Jaroslav, associate professor and researcher. In August 2017, the company became a part of Chaos Group, allowing for further expansion and growth. Despite its young age, Corona Renderer has become a production really renderer capable for creating high quality results. It is used highly by the architects, designers, planners, engineers, etc. Next we come to the topic about the disadvantages of using softwares. First and foremost, using software architecture can be tricky sometimes as one might lose data in case of virus attacks. If the computer breaks or crash, one might face problem using architectural softwares. Also, data can be stolen in case the system is hacked. In addition to those, there is specific architectural software that is indeed hard to learn. Also, some software is costly and it is not easy to maintain them. It disconnects the person from the traditional pen paper system. Thank you.